up, you guys? I'm Charmx, and today I'm gonna be reacting to
the annoying orange.
Let's begin by starving them.
You monster! I'm gonna be eating a jar of
trains.
250
delicious cannibals.
That's horrible. No!
I eat young little babies. It keeps me
What?
light up.
It's actually not half.
Ew! What am I supposed to?
Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. He's a demon.
You have no clue how much I don't want to be making this video.
Meanwhile, in an alternate dimension.
On to the next part. What was I expecting? What was I expecting? Of course it's a gnome. I'm the Zucchini King. Wait a minute now.
These biscuits.
Oh, that thinks I'll see you guys next time.
The end.
It's over.